Do you want to know how you can log into your LKP Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your LKP Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar, then search for LKP Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of LKP Mutual Fund account, which has been running since 1948. So, it is also stated that it is one of India's first security brokerage houses. To log into LKP, go ahead and write down your username in this box, write down your password, check your password by clicking on this icon, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your LKP Mutual Fund account. Let me show it to you once again. Go ahead and go to Google, go to the search bar and search for LKP Mutual Fund account. Click on this link over here, it will take you to the official login portal of LKP. Write down your username, your password, click sign in, and then you can sign into your LKP Mutual Fund account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.